In today's video, we will compare the Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra versus the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro. If you enjoy our content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget we've included purchase links in the description below with the best prices available, so check them out if you're interested. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the comparison. Design. Body material. Weight. Dust and water resistance. Loudspeaker. Dimensions. Display. Size. Resolution. Screen to body ratio. Type. Pixel density. Refresh rate. Colors and brightness. Protection. Rear camera. Video recording. Selfie camera. Performance. Chipset. CPU. GPU. Operating system. Antutu benchmark. Storage. RAM. Internal memory. Universal flash storage. Card slot. Battery. Capacity. Charging input. Fast charging. Wireless charging. Reverse charging. Connectivity. SIM card. Network. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Navigation. NFC. 3.5mm jack. Radio. Security. Fingerprints. Face unlock. Results. Price. What did you think of this comparison? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to join our exclusive X-Tech Deals channel on WhatsApp. There, you'll find amazing deals, incredible coupons, and stay protected from scams. All the links are in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.